Guys, welcome. Happy Friday. Just a quick couple of announcements. Hope you guys can hear me okay. Just a quick reminder, remember that calendar I sent out right before the holidays. Monday, the 21st, is actually a school holiday, so no classes, no school on Monday. Just like in brick and mortar, the building's closed per se, so there will be no need to log in. It is a holiday. None of the teachers will be working. Now, if you've had some absences that you want to make up or you want to work in the online school, it will count as one of your buyback days. So if you have any absences, it will kind of cancel that out if you decide that you want to log in on Monday the 21st and work. But just wanted to let you know that Monday is a holiday, so you won't hear from me, you won't see anything on your schedule. I'm working on getting that changed. So enjoy a long 3-day weekend. I know I'm so excited. It has been a busy week. And I'm excited for some extra rest. And so enjoy today and Saturday and Sunday, and enjoy the extra no school day on Monday. Okay, now just a very, very quick announcement. I've got my list pulled up here on my other computer, so give me just a second to look at my other screen, okay? I have two quick announcements. One is my Stride winner for this week for our coin competition. Remember, that was an optional competition that we've been doing with our homeroom just for fun and just to get in and do some skills to help us bring up those star scores and really just it's so great for kids to do something different. You know, we're used to reading and writing and doing our online lessons, but Stride is so game-based and it's fun. So hope you guys have enjoyed that. All right, so I have a winner this week for Stride. That student is Ashton P. So way to go, Ashton. I'm so proud of you. You're my Stride winner for this week. You have a gift card coming your way. So woohoo, way to go. Now, you guys, I will send an email too to remind you, but you want to transact and use your coins. So go ahead, buy games, go to the little reward shop and spend your coins, okay? Because on Tuesday evening, next week, next Tuesday, that will be the 22nd. I'll give you guys until about 5 p.m. But I am going to close out your coins and we're going to start over so that way those that are 1,000 points ahead aren't going to win every single week. So we'll start out fresh. So use those points, use those points, spend them, and then you guys are good to go. I will send an email to let you know that I'm going to cancel those out. So go ahead and spend them, okay? So Ashton was my winner for Stride. Now, I also am going to do a competition this week for attendance. This week was hard. It was hard, guys. We had a lot of kiddos sick. I know that there are at least 4, possibly 5 students in our homeroom right now that have the flu. So keep those guys in your thoughts. It's been a rough week, lots and lots of sickness. I had one class this week that had 8 people in it, and it blew my mind because all of my other classes, the attendance has been low, 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 low. One class, 1 student. So Ashton and I got a one-on-one, and it was great. But if you missed, make sure that you go back and watch those recordings. Now, if you sent me a sick note or you had an excused absence, you have the next week. You have until next Friday, the 25th, to send me your exit tickets. However, if you did not send me like a sick note or anything like that, you just missed class, then all of your exit tickets are due today by 5 p.m. for this Friday, the 18th, okay? So don't forget, those are part of your student's grade. All right, so my attendance winner, dun, 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 perfect attendance all week, attended every Class Connect session. That is LaBella B. Way to go, girl. I'm so proud of you. So Ashton and Bella, you have prizes headed your way. Can't wait to do this again next week. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful long weekend. Get some rest. No school Monday. So I will see you on Tuesday, the 22nd. See you later. Bye.